Solve 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to x cube. Solution. See, the given differential equation is 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2 into xy is equal to x cube. Now first of all, write down the linear equation form. The general linear equation is dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. This is the general linear differential equation. Now we need to convert this given question into this general linear equation form. For that, here dy by dx is multiplied by 1 plus x square. So divide both sides with 1 plus x square. Write down the given question, that is 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2 into x is equal to x cube. Now divide both sides 1 plus x square. See, why we are multiplying both sides with 1 plus x square means in the general linear equation form, general linear differential equation form is dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. Here dy by dx coefficient is 1, but in the given question dy by dx coefficient is 1 plus x square. That's why we are dividing both sides with 1 plus x square. That is equal to 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2 into xy upon 1 plus x square. It is LHS side. Now next, x cube upon 1 plus x square. See, we are dividing both sides 1 plus x square. See, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, remaining is the previous step. So next, split the denominator here. First one, second one. 1 plus x square into dy by dx upon 1 plus x square plus 2xy into 1 plus x square, which is equal to x cube upon 1 plus x square. See, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square cancel. The remaining is dy by dx plus 2 into x into y upon 1 plus x square is equal to x cube upon 1 plus x square. See, this one we can write like this also. Dy by dx plus 2 into x upon 1 plus x square into y is equal to x cube upon 1 plus x square. Now compare with the linear differential equation general formula. Now compare with linear differential equation general form, that is equal to dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. This, if we compare these to here, dy by dx, here also dy by dx plus here is y coefficient is p, here y coefficient is 2x upon 1 plus x square. So p is equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square. The next equal RHS value is q. Here RHS value is x cube upon 1 plus x square. So q is equal to x cube upon 1 plus x square. See, after finding P and Q value. Now find integrating factor, that is equal to IP is equal to, formula is e to the power of integral of P dx. This is the integrating factor formula, e to the power of integral of P dx. IF integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integral of P. P value is 2x upon 1 plus x square. 2x upon 1 plus x square dx square. So dx. See, first of all consider the exponential value. Consider exponential value, that is integral of 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. See, here we have one formula. This is, that is integral of f dash x upon f of x dx is equal to log f of x plus c. See, the denominator is f of x, that is 1 plus x square. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides, that is equal to d by dx of f of x, which is equal to d by dx of 1 plus x square. See, that is equal to d by dx of f of x is f dash x. Here f dash x means first time differentiation. That is equal to, split the differentiation, first one, second one. D by dx of 1 constant is 0 plus d by dx of x square is 2x square. Therefore f dash x is equal to 2x. So if we use this formula, it is as it is, f of x is equal to new denominator. Then if we differentiate this denominator, the numerator is f dash x is equal to 2x. So if we apply here, integral of 2x upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to log f of x. What is f of x value? 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square plus c. So substitute here, that is equal to integrating factor e to the power of integral 2x upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to e to the power of, this value is log of 1 plus x square, that is equal to e, log gets cancelled, remaining is 1 plus x square. Therefore integrating factor is equal to 1 plus x square. Now general solution is equal to y into integrating factor, y into integrating factor, which is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx. This is the general solution of the given question, that is equal to y into integrating factor is 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, which is equal to integral of q. What is the q value here? Q value is x cube upon 1 plus x square. X cube upon 1 plus x square into integrating factor is 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square into dx. X square, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square cancel. That equal to y into 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square is equal to integral of x cube dx. Integral of, see here, this is integral of x power n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Here if we compare, here n is equal to 3. If we substitute n is equal to 3 here, it will be y into 1 plus x square is equal to x power 4 by 4 plus c is the required solution of the given differential equation.